In this video, I'm going to show you the basic steps for replacing the hybrid battery in your Toyota Prius. Replacing this battery isn't a quick job, but with some patience, you can get it done safely. First, make sure your Prius is turned off and parked on a flat surface. Disconnect the 12-volt battery to avoid any electrical hazards during the process. Then, open the rear hatch and remove the cargo floor panel to access the hybrid battery pack. Next, carefully disconnect the battery's wiring connectors and remove any bolts holding the battery in place. You might need a socket set for this. Once everything is loose, carefully lift the old hybrid battery out. Place the new battery in the same spot, reconnect the wiring securely, and bolt it down. Finally, reconnect the 12-volt battery. Keep in mind, hybrid batteries are heavy and expensive, so if you're not comfortable working with them, it's best to seek professional help. If this video helped you understand how to replace your Prius hybrid battery, please like and subscribe for more car tips. Thanks for watching.